museum we are told not to touch, to be quiet, to move in a slow pace, and here we are letting loose. And it's really, there's something lovely and transgressive about that still.
You cannot see the difference between the pictures from the 70s and the pictures from now. It's completely the same. Maybe a little bit the style of clothing, but the movement and everything is exactly like it was. There's no change.
If you're just laying down, then you are safe, right? As soon as you stand up in life, then the danger comes and knocks you out sometimes. That's what it tells me, for sure. Yeah.